Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use Vitals app for Shopify. The Vitals app is a popular Shopify app that offers a suite of tools designed to optimize your Shopify store. With over 40 plus features, Vitals helps you increase sales, improve user experience, enhance marketing efforts, and streamline store management. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to boost your Shopify store in 2025, Vitals is an excellent choice. Number 1. Getting started with Vitals for Shopify. Before diving into the app's features, you need to install it and set it up on your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Shopify App Store by clicking on Apps in the left-hand sidebar and then visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Vitals, all-in-one marketing. Click on the Vitals app and then click Add App. Once added, you will be redirected to the Vitals setup page. You will need to click Install App to integrate it with your store. Once you have installed the Vitals app, it will appear on your Shopify app list, and you can start configuring it. Number 2. Setting up Vitals app on your Shopify store. After installation, you'll be taken to the Vitals dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub where you can access and manage all of Vitals features. You will see a variety of different tools available. Some of the core categories include upsell and cross-sell features, marketing tools, SEO and conversion optimization, social proof and reviews, design customizations, store analytics. Vitals is packed with powerful features, and you can pick the ones that suit your business needs. Let us take a closer look at how to activate and use each feature. Number 3. Key features of Vitals app for Shopify. One of the most effective ways to increase your average order value or AOV is by using upsell and cross-sell techniques. Vitals offers several features to help you achieve this. Pop-up upsells. When customers add an item to their cart, a pop-up will suggest related or higher value products that they may be interested in. Cart drawer upsell. You can display relevant upsell products right in the cart drawer when the customer is ready to check out. Post-purchase upsells. After a customer completes their purchase, you can offer them related products to boost sales. To activate upsell features, in the Vital dashboards, go to the upsell and cross-sell section. Turn on pop-up or cart drawer upsell and customize the offer. Product reviews and social proof. Customer reviews are essential for building trust and improving conversions. Vitals makes it easy to collect and display reviews from your customers. To enable reviews and social proof, go to the Product Reviews section in the dashboard. Enable sales notifications and customize the notifications to appear when someone buys a product. Activate review requests for customers to leave reviews on your store. SEO and conversion optimization tools. Vitals includes several SEO tools that help improve your source visibility and search engine ranking. Image optimization. Automatically optimize your images for faster load times without compromising on quality. SEO meta tags. Edit meta titles, descriptions, and keywords to improve search engine optimization. Quick view. Allow customers to view products details without leaving the collection page. To optimize SEO settings, go to the SEO and conversion optimization section in the Vitals dashboard. Enable image optimization for faster loading and better user experience. Use the SEO editor to update your meta tags for better search engine ranking. Customizable pop-ups and banners. Vitals also allows you to create customizable pop-ups, banners, and announcement bars to engage with your visitors. To set up banners and pop-ups, go to Design Customizations in the dashboard. Customize the look and content of your pop-up or banner. Set up triggers to determine when the banners will show, such as after a visitor stays on your site for a certain amount of time or when they scroll down. Trust badges and security features. Trust is a big factor in e-commerce. Vitals helps you display trust badges and security seals to reassure your customers about the safety of their data and transactions. Add secure checkout badges, payment options badges, and other trust symbols to your checkout pages and product pages. GDPR compliance. If you're selling in regions with strict privacy regulations, Vitals offers GDPR-compliant features such as cookie content banners. To set up trust badges, in the Design Customization section of the dashboard, head to the Trust Badges feature because who doesn't want to show off a little credibility? Select which badges to display. Think secure checkout or trusted by thousands. The kind of badges that make your store look like the VIP section. And choose where to place them. It's like adding a little extra sparkle to your store, but with more trust and fewer sequins. Number 4. Analytics and Reporting. Vitals also offers useful reporting tools to help you track your store's performance. Sales data, track how many products are sold, revenue generated, and other important metrics. Conversion tracking, analyze conversion rates and identify areas that need improvement. Customer insights, understand your customer demographics, buying patterns, and more. To access reports, go to the Analytics section of the Vitals dashboard. Use the various filters to generate reports for sales, traffic, conversions, etc. Number 5. Using Vitals to optimize store speed. Vitals helps you improve your store speed, which is crucial for both SEO and user experience. Many of the features within Vitals, such as image optimization, contribute to faster loading times. Additionally, you can remove unnecessary apps that might be slowing your site down. Vitals consolidates many apps into one, reducing the number of apps installed on your store and making it run faster. Number 6. Integrating Vitals with other apps and platforms. Vitals integrates with many Shopify apps and third-party platforms, making it a matchmaker for your store's tech stack. It helps sync customer data, improve your marketing efforts, and expand your store's capabilities. Basically, it is the glue that holds your digital empire together, but without the mess. For example, you can integrate Vitals with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or Klaviyo, turning your email campaigns into something your customers actually want to open. No more unsubscribe buttons, please. Facebook Pixel, so your retargeting ads can follow customers around like an overzealous salesperson, just without the awkwardness. In conclusion, the Vitals app for Shopify in 2025 is a powerful all-in-one tool that provides a range of features designed to enhance your Shopify store. From improving conversions with upsell and cross-sell tools to capturing emails, optimizing SEO, and increasing trust with social proof and product reviews, Vitals covers all the essentials. By integrating Vitals into your Shopify store, you can save time, increase sales, and create a better shopping experience for your customers. And that is all there is on how to use Vitals apps for Shopify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.